Welcome. Today, we'll explore the essential Oracle application interfaces that streamline data integration across modules like GL, AP, AR, inventory, and purchasing. Interfaces play a crucial role in automating data transfer from external sources into Oracle's core tables, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. We'll begin by understanding the general flow. Data is first loaded into staging tables, validated, and then moved to interface table. After passing all checks, it's imported into base tables for business use. Throughout this video, we'll break down each interface's process, highlight key validations, and explain how errors are handled. Let's start with the general ledger GL interface and see how data flows from staging to final posting. In the general ledger GL interface, data is first populated in the staging table, validated, and then loaded into the GL interface table. After running the journal import concurrent program, any errors are reviewed and fixed before posting entries. Key validations include checking unique IDs, valid currency codes, and open periods. Similarly, the accounts payable AP interface involves loading invoice data into staging, validating, and importing into API Invoices interface and AP Invoice interface. The payables open interface import program processes these records, ensuring invoice numbers, vendor IDs, and amounts are accurate. For accounts receivable AR, the auto lockbox and auto invoice interfaces automate cash receipt and invoice imports. Each step includes strict validations to ensure data integrity, such as matching customer IDs and verifying transaction dates. Moving on to inventory and purchasing, Oracle provides open interfaces for loading transactions such as on-hand quantities and requisitions. Data is validated for organization codes, item numbers, and UOM codes before being processed by concurrent programs. For PO requisition import, the system checks for valid transaction sources, destination types, and currency codes. Customer API interface is a bit different. It uses a series of API calls to create parties, accounts, and locations, with validations ensuring no duplicates and that all required relationships are established. Across all modules, validations are critical. They prevent data corruption and ensure business rules are enforced. When errors occur, Oracle provides tools to review, fix, and reprocess records, maintaining data integrity throughout the system. Wrap-up Oracle interfaces are designed to automate and secure the flow of data from external sources into core business modules. The process always starts with staging, followed by validation, interface table loading, and finally posting to base tables. Each step includes robust validations to catch errors early and ensure only clean, accurate data is imported. When issues arise, Oracle's error handling and correction tools allow for efficient troubleshooting and reprocessing. By following best practices such as thorough validation, regular monitoring, and clear error resolution, you can ensure smooth, reliable data integration across your Oracle applications. Thanks for watching, and remember, strong interface processes are the backbone of accurate enterprise data.